Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to uninstall Claude code. First, on your Windows PC, click on the Start menu located at the bottom of your screen, then open Settings. Now, click on Apps from the left side panel. After that, click on Installed Apps to see the full list of applications installed on your computer. Here, use the search bar and type Claude to quickly find the app without scrolling manually. Once you find it, click on the three dots menu next to it. Then click Uninstall and confirm the action when prompted. Wait for a few seconds while Windows removes the program and its related files. Now on mobile, open your phone and search for the Claude app on your home screen or app drawer. If you can't find it, you can also go directly through Settings. Next, open your phone settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Here, tap on iPhone Storage. This section shows all apps and how much space they are using. Now search for Claude in the list of installed apps and tap on it. Then, tap Delete App. This will remove the app and its stored data from your device. Finally, tap Delete again to confirm the removal. Once completed, the app will be fully uninstalled from your device and storage space will be freed up. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.